morning, paper crafters. I am finally back in my studio in Arizona, and I did receive my paper pumpkin kit while I was gone, and I've never done a video revealing what is in the paper pumpkin kit, and so I thought I would do that today. Now let me explain a little bit about what Paper Pumpkin is. It is a month-to-month subscription program that Stampin' Up! Has developed that is absolutely fantastic. This can be used for simple stamping, but it also can be used for somebody who is an avid stamper, and they can use the elements that come in the box in different ways. Now, every single month, you're going to get a new project. You're going to get pre-cut, pre-designed elements for that project. You are going to get a stamp set. You're going to get a different color of an ink spot and then some embellishments. Now, this is a little sneak peek of what will be coming in next month's kit. In October and November, Stampin' Up! Will be offering a back-to-back coordinating kit, one with Christmas cards, and then the next month will be Christmas tags, and they will all coordinate, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, the month-to-month is $22 a month, and that includes shipping. But you could do 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month prepaid subscriptions, and you get a discount with that. So let's see what came in my paper pumpkin for Halloween. Now, they call it Bon Appetit. So cute. And they're giving us a little sneak peek of what will be available in the winter one coming up. Now, with your very first kit that you order, you will get a stamping block to use. Then we have this very cute little stamp set. We've got some skeletons that are dancing and they don't look scary at all. A stamp that says trick or treat. One that says toxic treats. Bon appetit. Eat if you dare. Crossbones. Happy Halloween. That is cute. And then you get your ink spot, and they have decided to use Gorgeous Grape this month, which is a fantastic color. It always comes wrapped in pretty tissue paper, which you can use on other projects. This one looks like another one that is jam-packed with supplies. Now, the other nice thing is Stampin' Up! Always gives you more supplies than what you're actually going to need. So I use them on different other projects. Now, let me just mention that with every order comes some nice chipboard. So I save this for my photo albums and my journaling albums. This is really nice, thick chipboard. So make sure you save that. Now with the kit comes instructions on how to make the project. Now it looks like this month they have some cute little treat boxes. There is always a ruler at the bottom of the instructions, step-by-step instructions. And the other nice thing that I like is they always tell you what the coordinating colors are with the project. So this is basic black, gorgeous grape, pumpkin pie, or whisper white. And so sometimes I will make different projects than what was in the kit, and you know what colors will go with that. And I saved this little insert and saved these in a little stamp case. And so I logged them into my supply list, and so I know what other Halloween stuff I have. So in the kit is these basic black. Oh, those are cute. Little clothespins, and it looks like there's quite a few of them there. Then we also have some of the new Stampin' Dimensionals that are in the black color. Very nice. Then treat boxes, and I will be making some of these up and post them on my YouTube channel after I complete them so that you will know what they look like. Wow, that's a lot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the black and orange design of the boxes. And then I would gather there's probably 10 of the striped designs. So let's just double check and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. So 20 different boxes. Then it looks like you have these little banner labels that you'll be able to stamp in there. Happy Halloween. More little die cuts. Looks like quite a few of those. Then some labels. I think I have 2 there. Yeah, there's 2 pages of this. So you have some of the black ones and then some of the gorgeous grape ones. Fantastic. Oh, look at these cute little skeletons. Now again, it looks like you've got 2 pages of those. And what I really like about these is they are whimsical looking and not scary looking. So if you have really young children or grandchildren, then these won't scare them. That is cute. That is cute. And then it looks like you have some hands, which I have seen some of the people put the hand over the tag, so it looks like it's holding on to it. Cute. Then you have some spider webs here, and it looks like it's got a small little crossbone in the middle of it. Those are cute. A couple more tags. And then vellum, circles of vellum that you can put behind to decorate. And then, like always, you have the little double-sided adhesive dots. So anyway, I'm going to get started on making some of these projects up to show you, and I will add them to the final cut of the video. Have a great day crafting, and see everyone soon. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye.